In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spell check in WPS Office Mobile. If you are editing a document using WPS Office on your mobile device and you want to catch spelling mistakes quickly, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a clear and natural way. Spell checking on mobile is especially helpful when you are working on the go and want to make sure your document still looks clean and professional. To get started, open the document you are currently editing in the WPS mobile app. Make sure the text you want to check is already visible on the screen. Spell checking works directly on the content you have written, so having your document ready is important before moving forward. Once your document is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see an icon there that opens additional editing tools. Go ahead and tap that icon to bring up the editing menu. After tapping the icon, look for the Review tab and tap on it. This section contains tools related to proofreading and improving your document. Inside the Review area, scroll down or look closely until you find the option labeled AI Spell Checker. When you see the AI Spell Checker, tap on it. At this point, a prompt may appear encouraging you to upgrade. This message simply informs you about additional features that come with an upgrade. Whether you choose to upgrade or not is completely up to you. For this process, you can simply tap the X to close the prompt and continue. Once the prompt is dismissed, the spell check results will begin to appear. The app will highlight words or sections of your document that may have spelling issues. This makes it easy to see exactly which parts of your text need attention. Take a moment to review each highlighted word carefully. This allows you to correct spelling mistakes directly and ensure the word matches what you intend to say. Not every suggestion may apply, so it is always good to rely on your judgment before making changes. Continue checking through the document until all spelling issues have been reviewed. Doing this helps improve clarity, readability, and the overall quality of your work, especially if the document is meant to be shared or submitted. That is all there is to spell checking in WPS Office on mobile. With just a few taps, you can quickly identify spelling problems and make your document look more polished and accurate. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.